Hey everybody, my name is Scott. I'm with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory and they call me the Spa Man. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a spa cover. I've been getting a lot of requests for this. My spa cover is dingy. Should I replace it? It's heavy. If it's heavy, you've probably got a chemical buildup. But if it's a spa cover that can be cleaned, I suggest cleaning them about every 5 to 6 months. The more often you clean it, the longer it's going to last. Now, I personally do not use any type of cleaning agents, any kind of chemicals, other than water and white vinegar. Normally, I just use water. So let me show you how I go about doing it. It is pretty simple. Now, for this particular job, I only needed 3 things. I needed a towel, 2 Scotch-Brites, and I used a pressure washer. If I don't have a pressure washer, then what I use is just the hose with, the squirt end on it. I'll put a link in the description below for where to get this pressure washer. This is the spa cover I'm actually working on. This is an almond colored spa cover. I've started cleaning it here, and I'm using nothing more than a, basically I'm using a cheap pressure washer. I don't go with a lot of pressure. If you do go with a lot of pressure, you will damage the cover. So I usually do not do that. I will occasionally use a hose, but if I'm working at a customer's house and I want to get it done fast, I will use a pressure washer. Now there's 2 different styles of Scotch-Brite that I use. The burgundy one is a little bit more abrasive. The white one seems to be less abrasive. You make your own decision on which one you want to use. That's entirely up to you. Now what I have found is that whether you use a hose or you use a pressure washer, you got to get it wet first. Once you've got it wet, you can even use a bucket of water and just use the Scotch-Brite and clean it all up. When you're done, then that is when I would recommend either using the hose or using the pressure washer to keep it clean. But to just try to blast it off and think you're going to do it with a pressure washer, you're going to leave lines in it just like this, and you're not going to be able to get. You're going to have these lines out, and this is not going to come out. That's the way it's going to look. So if you take the Scotch-Brite and you just kind of scrub it and you put a little bit of elbow grease in it, it will actually come out pretty clean. So that's how I always recommend doing them. And this does not take that long to do. As you can see, I'm doing it holding the camera, and you're just trying to get all the dirt off of the spa cover. Once you've got it like that, see, this ain't taking me that long. Once you've got it like that, that's what it kind of looks like. Look at that. And you can kind of see how clean that comes out. You're gonna have to go over it one or 2 times, maybe 3 times. But here, I'm gonna show you how dirty this side is. This side is nasty, dirty, grimy. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it, and I'm gonna show you how I go about doing it. That's pretty much the first thing I will do, is I will get it really wet, whether it's with a hose or it's with a pressure washer. And that's kind of how I do it. Kind of hold the... And what I've got it sitting on is a trash can, and I've got it sitting on 2 sawhorses. And usually the side that I'm working on is the side that I want that's lower. So it will sometimes take 2 or 3 times for me to get it perfect. But rest assured, this thing will be perfect when I get done. And it does not take that much time. Get up here in the center. And you're seeing this in real time. And this spa cover has probably not been cleaned since it was brand new. So I want to say at least every bit of 3 years. So I'll get down here. Okay. Throw that over there. Let's go ahead and get the pressure washer out. Well, that's not too bad for my first go around. So I'm gonna go around it one more time. Looks like they had something sitting right here. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna try to see if I can make that disappear. So now once you've done the top side, it's time to do the underside. Now the underside of a spot cover is very unique. The material that it's used with is special material for hot tubs. Now some people will put mesh. Mesh is the wrong type of material to be using for a spot cover because it breaks down the UV plastic that is underneath this material. The UV plastic is what the foam is wrapped in. Bad idea for a spot cover. Some companies think it's good. I wouldn't buy it if you gave it to me. So anyways, you want this to stay gray. This is the tail that tells me, a spa tech, A, how much chemical you're putting in the hot tub, and B, it tells me how often you're changing your water. This one's just a little dirty, so this one's not too bad. It's gray over here, and you can kind of see the line where the hot tub is, but this is still gray, it's just dirty. I'll see spa covers like this that are white, and they are that thick with chemical. So what happens is you heat up the water, it turns to a vapor, you put chemical in it, the chemical, the vapor rises, it sticks on the bottom of the cover, you open the cover and it dries. So, and then you basically barbecue a layer. What I do with my spa cover, and I recommend for all my customers, is when your spa cover, you open it and you've used your hot tub for the day, before you close the cover, after you've toweled your body off, take the towel and wipe this side of the cover really well. Because what you're gonna do is you're gonna wipe off all the old chemical that was on this. You're gonna prolong your spa cover. But as you can see, this one's got a little bit of dirt. That ain't bad. This one's gray. And like I said, this one's spa cover is probably 5, 6, maybe 7 years old. So that's a testimony to what kind of maintenance you'd be doing with your spa cover in order to make it last. And we are in Arizona, so if we can make a spa cover last 5 to 7 years with what I've told all my customers, I know that that can be done all over the world. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down. Now this, sometimes I'll use white vinegar and water. Every now and then I use just a little bit, and I mean just a little bit of Simply Green. Not very much. If you use too much, you'll get soap. The soap will get down inside the hot tub. You'll have suds. You don't want that. So I hesitate to tell you that yes, sometimes I will use Simple Green. I've had people use Super Clean. Bad idea. Do not use Super Clean. Do not use all these other happy hoo-ha chemicals on your spa cover. There's a lot of companies out there that'll tell you different. Me, the spa man, I'm gonna give it to you straight. I deal with this all the time. I personally very rarely will clean a spa cover. I have other people within the company that'll do that, but I had a great opportunity. I was working in the shade. The customer offered to pay me a couple extra bucks to clean the spa cover. I thought, great opportunity to do a video. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and move on with the video. Well, that didn't come out too bad. It's not perfect. You know, it's a 5 to 7 year old cover. I'm not really sure how old it is, but it looks pretty good for its age. And it's got a couple black marks. Those will come out over time and stuff if the customer would wipe it down a little bit more often. So now we're gonna go ahead and put it on the hot tub. Let me show you this hot tub. This hot tub is bad to the bone. You've got 1 seat, 2 seat, 3 seat. You are the captain of your ship. And then right here's another seat, another. This is flat out a full-size 7-foot hot tub. This thing has 3 pumps equaling 15 total horsepower. It's got a topside control for the captain of the ship that can operate. 1 pump operates this one and that one. The other pump operates this one. The 3rd pump operates that one. This thing will blow you out of the hot tub. They no longer make this particular hot tub. The company's been out of business for, I want to say, at least 10 years. But this hot tub is in immaculate condition because the customer that owns it takes the time to have us come through and service it every so often. So today we put a brand new heater in it. It was just time. It didn't go out, but it was just time. This customer takes meticulous care of this hot tub. So we're gonna go ahead and set the hot tub cover on here, and then I'll show you what it looks like after I get it on there. Okay, we got this spa cover all completely done. It's all wiped down, it's in place. This almost looks brand new with the exception of this circle right here. I believe somebody laid a hose out here. I'm not sure, but that's kind of what it looks like. So anyways, as you can see, it didn't take me that long. Total time, including shooting this video, might have taken me 30 minutes to clean the spa cover. Definitely worth it if you want to make your spa cover last. Now, let's say your spa cover is all tattered. It weighs 100 pounds, 150 pounds. You can barely grab onto the edge of it to open. Yes, you need a new spa cover. Now, if you don't live in Arizona and you want us to make a spa cover for you, we can send them pretty much any place in the United States. If you go down to the description, I will leave a video description of how I show you how to measure a spa cover from side to side, front to back. Now this one is totally different. Let me kind of give you some ideas. This one has a 2-inch radius corner here. Over here, it has a 12-inch cut corner. Over here, it has a 3-inch radius corner. Over here, it indents in, indents out, and then makes a great big curve. And right here, basically the reason why I wanted to show you me cleaning this spa cover is because we make spa covers like this. We can pretty much send them any place in the United States. So I'll leave a link down in the comments. If you guys are interested, check it out. Give me a call. We'll try to figure out what hot tub you have and we'll make it for you and send it out to you. I have to let you know in advance. UPS is really killing us on the shipping right now, and FedEx, that's the only way it can go. It goes in a 4-foot by 8-foot box, and when you fold it in half with all the stuff we have to do to it, you know, it has to be light enough to where a UPS man can move it. So they're about 50 to 70 pounds in the box, a little bit less without the box. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everybody. Hey everybody, my name is Scott with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory. I hope you enjoy these videos. I've been getting a lot of comments on several of the videos as well as emails about where have I been? How come I haven't been doing videos lately? With this pandemic, it's taken me a little time to keep up with everything. I want to thank all my subscribers. You guys have helped me out tremendously. We're actually helping people all over the world fix their hot tubs, get them up and running. I can't tell you how much joy that brings to me, because that was the original idea behind this channel. Because some of the dealers had went out of business, some of the manufacturers were basically being, in my opinion, not helpful. So I'm glad that I've been able to help everybody with these videos, and I look forward to doing that throughout 2022 and 2023 and so on. So with that, I'll see you guys on the next video. I can't thank you enough. Have a great day, everybody.